Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk it through iPhone not sound and text alerts. Here are the steps to fix an iPhone not sound and text alerts. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Choose Messages from the list of apps. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Under Alerts, ensure Lock Screen, Notification Center, and banners are enabled. Tap Sounds inside Messages settings and choose a text tone, not none. Go back to Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics. Make sure the ringtone and alerts volume slider is turned up. Ensure the silent ringer switch on the left side of the iPhone is not set to silent. Orange means silent. Turn off focus mode by checking Settings, Focus, then tap on the Do Not Disturb, Sleep, or Work. Inside each focus mode, make sure Allow Notifications includes messages. You can do this by tapping the apps, then tap Add Apps, check the messages, and tap Done. Now, go to Settings, Apps, Messages, and ensure Filter Unknown Senders is turned off. Sometimes, blocks alerts. Restart your iPhone by holding the volume button, then power button, then sliding to power off. And finally, send yourself a test message or ask someone to text you to check if the alert sound works. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.